It's our pleasure to take you to Abu Dhabi today and welcome you to our home. We are sure you'll have a great time here. You can find plenty of inspirations and the best things to on our Abu Dhabi channel vlogs. Just remember to keep your boarding pass from today's flight to receive exclusive deals and discounts. Our flight time will be 5 hours and 55 minutes. 5 hours and 55 minutes after takeoff, and we are expecting some turbulence on our route. Please ensure you keep your seatbelts fastened. Whenever seated, let the seatbelt down is on. We are currently expecting to depart on time. Prior to arrival at Abu Dhabi International Airport, we will update you with the arrival time and weather. Thank you and have a pleasant flight.
يجب الآن إغلاق جميع الأجهزة الإلكترونية اليدوية مثل الهواتف النقالة أو اختيار وضعية الاستخدام أثناء بترونيل التلف أو ارتفعت درجة حرارته أو سقط في منطقة مقعدكم. لا تحركوا المقعد. اطلبوا المساعدة من طاقم الطائرة على الفور. يرجى التأكد بأن حزام المقعد مربوط بإحكام وإعادة.